What's going on, guys? For today's video we have another outdoors video. This one's going to be all over the place. It's not really a vlog, but I wanted to try to make a vlog, but I don't really think that's going to work out. So this is going to be a vlog style video, I guess. Me and my friends actually linking up today to go skate. We haven't really been skating in a long time. In case you guys didn't know, I used to actually skate back in the day, and I used to be pretty good. And your boy actually just got a new haircut finally. After 3.5 long months of no haircut, we are back in the haircut game. Shout out to all the haircuts finally opening up. But yeah, like I said, we all just got new boards. We're wanting to skate, so I figured I'd bring you guys along. Not really hype beast content, but I know some of you guys actually like skateboarding. I wanted to try some new types of videos, so you know, we're just gonna see how well this goes. So I'm waiting for everyone to get here right now, and yeah, I'll just bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully this turns out good, and hopefully you guys actually get to see this. So this is actually the only skate spot we really have where I live. We actually don't have a park or anything. The closest park we have is, I think, like 30 or so minutes away. We just skate on here. So yeah, like I said, we don't really have the best skate spot at all, but I'm bringing you guys along for the ride to see what we can do. I nowhere near can do any of the tricks I used to be able to do, but I'm gonna try to get some tricks for the video, and Joey actually has been trying to get the varial for a little bit. Hopefully we can get Joey to land that varial for us. Check out bro's setup. Yo, Joey, we actually got to get a setup. Hey, make sure you follow Joey on Instagram too. Let's check out Joey's setup real quick.
Rain cord grip. Oh, it's upside down.
Upside down.
There we go. Palace deck.
Supreme
Got
trucks.
the Supreme trucks. And then good old Bones wheels.
Well, I'm rocking. We got the pharmacy deck. Tensor trucks, Bones wheels as always. And then just got the regular Boo Johnson Grizzly grip tape with a little Supreme sticker in there, as always. Shout out Pharmacy. This is Brandon too. He hasn't really been in a video in a few years, but follow him on Instagram if you haven't already. Tell us what your setup is.
Alright, you know I had to go with the pharmacy deck, pharmacy grip.
Shout out Pharmacy, as we said.
Independent Thrasher collab hardware.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Thieves, CSX, Bones STFs, size 52, and I believe Bronson Speedco bearings.
Thank you, thank you. Honestly, I completely forgot about the wheel size. I don't know what our wheel size is, but in case anyone's wondering, that's what we are riding, and we all just got new boards. So yeah, we are pretty big hype on that. So let's try to do some tricks now, and yeah, I'll try to film anyone doing tricks, or have Joey film me doing some tricks.
Oh my ankle.
So like I said, I'm nowhere near as good as I used to be, but I'm gonna try to get some tricks for you guys. I'm gonna just try to do my 3 favorite tricks right now. Probably not gonna be first try, but let's try to get the tray flip first try. This is for you guys. Even if I don't land it, I'll keep it, but we're going for first try. I did get it. Oh man. Oh, so sketchy. Let's try one more.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, we got one down.
Is that varial?
Huh?
Varial?
Varial heel flip.
Ooh. Car. Just kidding.
Hey! Alright, that's probably as good as it's gonna get on the tray flip. We're going for the varial heel flip. It's my all-time favorite. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. It's my all-time favorite skateboard trick. But I've only done it like twice, but we're gonna try it real quick.
I know. Why this trick band?
Oh Lord.
Alright, so clearly I still can't varial heel flip anymore. I'm so sweaty. Clearly I can't varial heel flip anymore. I used to be able to do a ton of tricks off of this, which I probably can't anymore. But we're gonna try to get this one first try. I'm gonna try to 180 it. Can't lie, I was very scared to even try that. Alright, I'm gonna try to get some tricks at Joey real quick. I need to get some new skate shoes ASAP.
I don't really know what to call this one. It just kind of came to me one day.
Looking good. A little sketchy, but I got it. If I can actually find it, editing Chandler, insert the clip of me doing that when I used to be really good at it, because I have like a full board slide if I can find it. We'll figure it out. We couldn't get the best angle on that. Hopefully you can see it. Honestly, that's probably one of the longest manuals I ever did. I almost made it to the bank, which I don't know how long this is, but that's like, is that a football field? That might be a football field. I don't know. I'm not good with like, whatever that is, measurements, I guess. But yeah, we couldn't get the best angle. We don't film skateboarding, so hopefully you guys can still see it. And yeah, this video is kind of all over the place, but we're still trying to do some tricks for you guys. Hopefully we can get some more. Okay, so those who don't know, I actually met Joey like later on in life after high school, so he was never with like our original skate crew. So Joey, not trying to hurt your feelings, Joey, but Joey wasn't as good as us back in the day, so he's still learning the varial. But I have complete faith in him that he's gonna land it for my video right now, Joey. I have full faith in you. You're gonna get the varial. I think he's landed it. How many times do you think you landed it? Once, twice? Twice? Yeah, I think he got it twice. So hopefully Joey's gonna get it for my video. And let's see, let's get this, Joey. You got this. That's a good flip on that one.
All right, this is it.
Oh, I kind of was thinking that was it on that one, bro. Let me get a little further back. Oh, bro, I thought that was it. All right, Joey. All right, well, actually, Joey's filming right now, but he didn't get the varial, but I have complete faith in him. I'm gonna try to back him up on this varial, and then we're gonna try again for the varial heel flip. Like I said, I've only landed it twice, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. All right, that was a little sketchy. One more kick, varial kick flip. I think that's the best it's gonna get on the varial kick flip, but let me just try a few more tries on the varial heel flip. Oh, that was so sketchy. For now, we're gonna keep it. I'm gonna try to come back to it. I think it was like toes too. Yeah, we're gonna keep it. But I just remember, I'm already out of breath. I'm getting old. My favorite trick back in the day, I believe it's called the pop shove it rewind. Let me know if you guys have ever seen this trick. I'm gonna try to get a first try for you guys. Hopefully I can still do it. Nope, that's pop shove it. Let's try this again. Oh! I think it was like a pop shove it rewind. I don't remember. I'm sweating so much. There's really no direction to this video at all. There's like no transition whatsoever. I think that's the best that one's gonna get to. We're on fire. We have like 5 tricks now or something. So hopefully we can get some more. Joey, I thought you could kickflip.
I can. I did it this morning.
Let's go. Let's go. Dang, that was mock speed, bro.
Dude. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my TED Talk. That didn't do what I wanted.
I think I might be able to get the full 360. I don't think that was any better. I landed and quit moving, but that's as good as it's gonna get. I think that counts. I don't know.
I think that was clean. Mr. Clean.
I don't think I can get it. The other one was good enough. All right, Joe, I know you got this varial. Oh, okay. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Ooh, that was a nice, well, I don't know what I was trying to say. That was a nice flick, though. Last try, Joey, you got this. Will Joey land the varial kickflip? Find out next time on my next skateboard vlog. Going for another one?
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, today was not the day on the varial kickflip. but he's gonna get it. Leave a comment down below if you want us to make another skateboard type video and you want to see Joey land that very okay flip. Just give us one last try, Joey. This is for real, the last one.
This one's for the boys.
Road to 1K / road to Joey's very okay flip. Okay, that was a tray flip. That one didn't count. You got one more try. That was a tray flip. Oh, bro. How you gonna do us like that? How you gonna do us like that? All right, hopefully he gets it on the next video, guys. Next video, he's got it. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Like I said, this was the first time we've ever really done anything like this. I don't know if you want to consider it a vlog or what you want to consider this. And also, like I said, I'm not as good as I used to be at skateboarding, but I wanted to show you guys that I was skateboarding, even though this is not really Hypebeast related. But Joey, come over here real quick, because this is hopefully gonna be my upload on Saturday that you guys are watching this. On Thursday, which would have been like 3 days ago for you guys, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago for you guys. We actually just announced our giveaway. So make sure you follow, my name will already be on the screen, Chandler Sutton, and make sure you follow Fear of Joe, which I believe both of our Instagrams in the description down below. So if you guys want to win, okay, this guy's gonna really come out here and do this. Hold on, let's let this guy go by. So if you guys want to win some free Supreme stuff, and it's nothing too crazy, make sure you follow me and Joey, and you will see the post on both of our pages. And that's how you guys can enter into the contest. If you're interested in Indie Supreme, things like that, and you want something free, make sure you enter in that contest. I think I said it like 5 times now, but make sure you enter in that contest. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see us do another skateboard video, because you got to see Joey land the Vario kickflip. So if you want to see us do another skateboard video, make sure you let me know in the comments down below that you guys like this type of content, and we will deliver for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. We're out.